Why most entrepreneurs hate holidays. In this video, I will show you the reasons why successful people and business owners really hate holidays. I cannot imagine that every time that there is a holiday, for example, tomorrow will be holiday here in Switzerland, tomorrow I will not be happy. And in this video, I will show you all the reasons and why you will understand this concept. And if you are in business, you will feel the same too. Just for say that there is some days of holidays, and then maybe there is some other entire week of holidays, and all these holidays keep me away from success and really keep entrepreneurs away from success, and the holidays make the entrepreneur spend more time working and really get the success in a longer period of time. And now I just thinking quickly, if in the world will be zero holiday, probably every entrepreneur will become successful earlier. And in this video I will show you all the reasons that I am saying you this weird and strange theory. The first thing is about that I have seen on my own experience. I can see that when I go working maybe for a client and there is some holidays during that period of work, the work will take longer because during that holiday time the business owner and the other people will not work, and so pretty much the work stay the same, and maybe for a week we lose a week of time to get that done. And maybe the client is not very in his business, he is not a real entrepreneur, he has just started a business to make some money, but maybe he don't want it hard enough, so he doesn't work during holidays. And what I'm doing, I am here in my room just waiting for the information that I need, and just waiting, for example, for a week, and this is really painful for me. The most reason that people like entrepreneurs hate holidays and vacation, I think that it's about because the people doesn't work, and if you think just at your work life during the weekend and during the holidays days will be just paused, you will not grow and succeed with other people. You can still at your home and learn, watch more videos, consume content, read books, improve maybe your skills, your website and other stuff, but you cannot do straight business. And also it's not good to approach and call people in the day of holidays, because they will see you as a pain, not as a person that can solve their problem and bring more revenue to their business. So this is also a really bad point to know. The next thing is that pretty much I can really say also during the summer, when everybody is on holiday, everybody thinks to have fun, go on swimming, and also business owners are more chilly, and there is less economy during the summer. And this is really bad, because on the summer it's a really good time and I can really focus, maybe wake up early in the morning, there is the sun, and just to take advantage of all the day for working. But if there is pretty much few clients that need your service and maybe they are in holiday, it's not very good for your business. For example, 1 year ago during the summer I just had like 2 or 3 clients, not more. Yes, I was just at the beginning, and I hope this summer I will get more of these clients. But I can see that during the winter time, maybe after the next year, when it comes in January and February, when everybody is away from the holidays, I had my biggest month. Now on April, that there is some little holiday, it's also my biggest month ever. And I think that it depends on what's your mentality, how you've been raised, and how you see your work. But for myself, my work is a priority, so holidays a little bit obstaculate my work. Just to think, for your goal there is no holidays. For example, you wanna say that you want to be successful, maybe have a Lamborghini and earn a determinate amount of money during 3 years, but you should understand that during that 3 years you cannot work straight all the days with other people and doing businesses. So that time will be longer. Maybe you take 4 years because there is holidays and off days off during the year. And I am not here to saying like Gary V that you should work 24/7 all the days of the year. But maybe if you're working a 9 to 5 and you're with your side hustle creating your business, and you have time to work on your business in holidays, but during that period of time other business people are in holiday, it's very, very difficult to grow your side hustle. And with this video I cannot set a rule to other people or give some other rules, but I just want to share with you my opinion and why you should take advantage of the normal days the most. Because you think that if today you work twice and today it's holiday, you have got a good job. But if you maybe today work a little bit and then you will say maybe I will work tomorrow, just understand that if tomorrow it's holiday, you have not a good chances to make new clients or do new business stuff. And then a really painful thing that I can see is that you lose momentum, you lose focus, because maybe for 1 month you are really focused on your goal, on how to get clients and really growing your business. And then it comes maybe a week of holiday and nobody's working around, you cannot call clients, if you send emails you can get an answer maybe a week later. I have seen the same thing with payments. There are now 2 clients that should pay me in these days, and since the past week was holiday, they will not work, they will not send me the money, so it will take more time. And I just keep myself here and working also if it's holiday, just to keep the habit to working, learning every day. Also on the weekends I work here just to keep focused. I like working at least 1 hour a day. It can be a really good day and maybe I can have fun with my friends, go out and just make something different, but I make sure that at least I do some actions related to business and growing myself, so I can make sure 100% that pretty much my business in my mind is continuously running. Another point is that during the weekends or the holidays, you have a lot more distractions. It can be for your health. You can go maybe eat a lunch with family or dinner and eat maybe at a restaurant or eat junk food. You're more likely to eat this. And then the same thing with going out and just having fun. Once there are holidays, your friends will text you, some other people will tell you if you go with them to do this and that, and these are a lot of distractions from your work and your goal. You should find a balance. I think that you should work but also have a little bit of fun if you have earned it. But maybe you are working maybe just from a week, you have just started your company and your business really needs some more knowledge, some more information and some more clients. But if you go out all the week and just have fun, drink beer with your friends, this will not be really good. Instead, if there was a normal week work, they will never ask you to go and drink beer all days. The same thing with food. You should really pay attention to food in your holiday, because most people just eat a ton of food during the holiday and then they hope that 2 days in the gym will get them in shape. So this is another reason that why I don't say I hate, but I don't like a lot the holidays. And then pretty much my final tip to you is that you should treat every day like it's a normal day every day. You should just wake up in the morning, do your things, and if you need to have fun, just go out and have fun, no matter if it's Monday, Saturday, it's holiday or not. Just have a little bit of fun. But the same thing if it's a weekend, if it's a Sunday and you should a little bit work for your business, just sit down and work. Pretty much my life, I live my life based on days and not on weekends, on weeks, on months, on holidays. Every day I can have fun and I can work, and this is really amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video and take a lot of inspiration. I would really appreciate if you leave a like and especially subscribe, because as you can see now, probably we are around 200 subs. It's growing, but I will be really grateful to help you achieve your success by subscribing to this channel. See you in the next video.